Welcome everyone to my channel Innovation Hub. So today the topic is how to make a social media application while using reusable components or developing it from scratch. So some of the companies, mobile app development companies, might have told you develop an app like social media using third-party SDK or a bootstrap application. So what is required, what needs to be done, or what needs to be followed when we are developing an app is always a nightmare for us. Some of the companies quoted us like $6 lakh, some of them are quoting us $10,000, some are quoting like they can get it done in 3 months, 6 months, some are telling you 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks. So in my opinion, if you are developing an application, if as a business you want something out of it, you should not rely on a freelancers or companies those who are using a source code which has already been developed, or they are committing they will deliver it in a 6 weeks or 8 weeks. It is just a fraud. So don't get trapped into it. So what is required for developing an application? First of all, don't think like once the application is developed, the product is being done. So it's a beginning of the product. So there's a lot more needs to be required to market your product, to build up your user acquisition, to retain your users. So for social media like Instagram or WhatsApp or Facebook, so they have a different genre. So WhatsApp, Telegram, and Signal is like a messaging application. However, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn has like networking. So Facebook has a people, relatives and friends, and sharing the private photos on a different from a different journey on the platform. However, in Instagram you have photos in a platform. Twitter is more or less news platform, or LinkedIn is a like professional network. So if you are planning to develop a WhatsApp like application or a Telegram like application where you are developing a chat groups or one-to-one chat, so I would recommend, like, if you are starting it, go for a ready-made chat SDK. Don't bootstrap it. So if you're going to use a chat SDK, they have already been done like sending up, chat messages one to one, or sending an invitation to a friend, making a user ID, unique user ID on a platform. So you can use their APIs. So what is API? APIs are like transport layer connecting, iOS application with Android with the backend. You know, so this all technical queries uh, could be resolved if you are like well aware how to develop an app, not programmatically, but to select different SDKs for like expedite your product and with the delivery of a product with quality, different using well different SDKs. I'm not gonna recommend any, or I'm not going to market any product or SDK here because it could be like monetization in my videos. It's a free tutorial for you guys. So go with the Chat SDK, develop an app on the Chat SDK. Some of them are free for months and years. Some of them are paid per chat per user. So deploy it in a serverless architecture on AWS. So what is serverless architecture or AWS serverless platform? I have explained it in a different video. Go for it and understand what is server and serverless platform. What are the advantages and disadvantages? So for this application, contact me, consult with me if you want to get a free guide, free consulting how to develop a social media application, and I can save your money and time while selecting the right things for developing the right product. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe my channel. Have a great day ahead. Bye.